Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change frame rate and motion blur in the game Neverness to Everness. Then here follow the steps very carefully. So first of all, launch the game, and when you are in the game, press the escape button to bring up the menu. Then click on the settings icon and then go to the graphics tab. It is already in graphics tab. Scroll down and here you will see the frame rate. Click on this drop down. And the available frame rate is 30 fps, 60 fps and 120 fps. So you can change it to as per your requirement. To change the motion blur, scroll down and at the bottom you will see the motion blur option. Click on this drop down and then you can change the motion blur to very low, medium, very high as per your requirement. So that's how you can change the frame rate and motion blur in the game Neverness to Everness. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.